Hello and welcome to a detailed history of printing technology. The ability to reproduce written words and images has come a long way since ancient civilizations first developed systems of writing. Today, we'll be exploring the evolution of printing from the earliest presses to the printers we use today. Before the invention of printing, written words and images were reproduced by hand, a slow and laborious process. The earliest known form of writing, cuneiform, appeared in Sumer around 3200 BC. It was inscribed on clay tablets using a reed stylus. Other early systems of writing include hieroglyphics, which were used in ancient Egypt, and the Chinese script, which is still in use today. These early systems of writing were mostly used for record keeping and were not widely disseminated. The first major innovation in printing came with the invention of the printing press in the mid-15th century. The printing press was developed by German goldsmith Johannes Gutenberg and allowed for the mass production of printed materials. Gutenberg's printing press used movable metal type, which could be set into a frame and used to print multiple copies of a document. This was a significant improvement over the handwritten documents of the time, which were time-consuming and expensive to produce. The printing press revolutionized the way books were produced, making them cheaper and more widely available. It also played a significant role in the spread of knowledge and ideas during the Renaissance. In the 19th century, a new printing process called offset printing was developed. This process involved transferring an inked image from a metal plate to a rubber blanket before printing it onto paper. Offset printing allowed for even greater efficiency in the printing process, and is still widely used today for printing books, newspapers, and other printed materials. The next major innovation in printing came with the development of the computer printer. In the late 1960s, Xerox Corporation developed the first laser printer, which used a laser beam to produce high-quality printed documents. In the decades that followed, various types of computer printers were developed, including inkjet printers and thermal printers. These printers made it possible to easily print documents and images from a computer, revolutionizing the way we produce and access written materials. Today, there are many different types of printers available, including 3D printers, which can produce physical objects from digital designs. And that's the history of printing technology. From the earliest presses to modern-day printers, the ability to reproduce written words and images has come a long way. Today, we take for granted the ability to easily print documents and images from our computers, but it's important to remember the innovations and advancements that have made this possible. Thank you for watching. Subscribe and like for more videos.